So guys, I am making fried rice, let's say vegetable rice, and unfortunately I have to make do with gizzard because I went to the butcher day before yesterday. There were so much people there. In fact, that place was filled up. I waited and waited. It was not getting to my turn. There were about 30 persons at the front. I'm telling you, they were not moving. I had to quickly rush back home. So, yesterday I went back as well. On getting to that place, I still met crowd. They were still like much. So I began to wonder what is going on. Why the crowd? Why are people buying meat this time? So you guys, I was wondering why people buying meat this time around. Like day before yesterday, it was choked up. Yesterday, the same thing. I'm like, wow, what is happening? Like, is there something going on that I am not aware of? Anyway, and the thing is that in the supermarket, I checked as well that same yesterday. I couldn't find liver. I am not a fan of fried rice without liver. I like my fried rice with liver. I mean, it gives it that kind of, now, as a Nigerian, that special taste. Liver is always, it takes it to another level. But since I didn't see, and the children, they are really craving for this fried rice, I have to make do. Keep them what is available. I know they wouldn't mind anyway, but me that is their mom, as far Nigerian brought up concern, I know the difference, but them they don't. Or maybe they will, or I don't know. Let's see. So I'm making use of gizzard. I don't have any choice. I just have to make do with what I have got. This is it. This gizzard I already have in my freezer. I have lots of gizzard in my freezer because the last time we went to butcher where we buy meat in a very far place, not the one that is close to me here, where we get it in bulk. Other meat, turkey, chicken, and the rest. I bought about 2 wraps of this, and it's very big, very very big. Oh, I've been eating it since for a very long time. It's over 2 months now. Because I love to make gizzard odo. Yeah, gizzard odo is one of my one thing I crave for, you know. Times I just make it, and the days I just don't feel like to eat, I munch on it. So that's what I'm not substituting here for liver. I have no choice. Just have to do it. You guys, it's been raining non-stop today. Oh. Yes, my love.
Quando mi serve il carbonato?
Why?
Perché devo pulire il muro, ma non si pulisce. Buoni.
It's good like that. Please don't finish my bicarbonate.
Ma dov'è? Ma c'è uno. C'è uno.
Check if there is. I think there should be one opened in the bathroom anyway.
No, he's here, mom.
Okay.
Aspetta che il pavimento. Bello, guardate. No, guarda qua.
Calling. Oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. About your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, boy, you make me feel like say, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I'll be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire, keep it burning. Them other boys keep them talking. For your case, on the mind, oh, now you blow my mind every time. You and me, no be no man matter. All your exes can say we got scatter. You can be calling, yeah, I got you falling. That's not a thing, not a thing we can handle. Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me.
Vicky, hurry up with the sweeping. Are you not done?
What is this?
Hurry up now. Hurry up and sweep all here. Then Martins, please clear this dining table. Oh yeah, clear the dining table, then wipe it out. People should get ready for your lunch. So, guys, here it is. After our lunch, we decided to spend some time together as usual. Here, we were just vibing to some music. You know, now the fear of copyright is the beginning of wisdom. So, we just decided to play together. Moments like this are treasurable, seriously. So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not. Support this family, and I'll see you guys on my next. Bye.